Hey guys, my name's Caleb Schilling. I am a software engineer and I have a business where I basically automate processes for business owners, where I basically take tasks or business processes, business operations, and figure out how to automate them using software or code. I used to do that before AI because AI didn't really exist back then, but now we have AI. So, on that topic, I do want to show you what a couple of clients I've had in the past were asking of me and how they incorporated it in their business to kind of give you some reality or mass about how maybe it could benefit you. Um, so, let's jump right into it. Get this small. Get out of here. So I built this fake construction company. I just made a new one, and just for the demo, you can see that as soon as we come here, there's an AI that comes up and pops up. Normally it would look like this. You can click into it and it opens right up. So this is really important. What I'm about to say is this AI has a very specific task. And what I mean by task is it has a very specific set of prompts, set of instructions, where I want it to interact with the user so that we can gather information about what they're looking to do, what their timeline is, what their email is, or I'm sorry, not their email, their phone number, and their name and location. And the reason I'm doing that is some of those questions that we're going to be using to qualify the lead, right? Like this company is one in Phoenix. They live in Phoenix. And I know it's fake, but it's a Phoenix-based company. So I want to show you that. Basically, what projects are you looking to get done? Well, what do you guys even do? I'm new here. Don't know what you do. So you can see it answers, and then it goes right back into getting that question answered, which is what I told it to do. And you can see it pulled that information from the website itself, which again is what I wanted to do. And I only have that there for demonstration purposes. So, kitchen remodel on a 10,024 square foot kitchen would be great. When are you wanting to get started on this? Well, how much would it cost, right? I just keep no answering it because I want to show you and really emphasize that this AI has a very particular goal in mind, which is I'm going to get an answer to my question. And you can see it does answer him, or me, and it goes right back to that question. When are you hoping to get started? July 2026 would be great. Yeah, Caleb Schilling. What's the address? So this address we're going to use to qualify the lead, right, on the back end. And then we're going to get the phone number, and that will be the end of the cycle of action for this specific AI. And you'll see that it will end the chat so that somebody can reach out to me, right? So the chat ended, and I want to show you now where that information goes to, right? So I have a CRM. I use GoHighLevel, at least right now I do. And it's cool because now that we have that information, we can organize it. We can take that particle, that data, the packet of data we just collected, and we can have somebody, we can have code go through it and be like, okay, he lives in Los Angeles, but we're a Phoenix-based company. He's not qualified, right? And we could tag it if we wanted to that this is not a qualified lead, but we'd still want to keep it because maybe we do branch out to LA later on. So you can see in here that we have some information about it, right? You can see when they contacted the website, what project they're looking to get done, the location, and again, we can populate the fields in here with everything it told us. So that is a really just brief demo, and I try to keep it short for your guys' sake, but that is one way to use AI in your business to help basically save time. Because what if somebody comes to the website, they have a question, they can't get it answered, so they just leave? Well, now they have a way to get it answered, and you don't have to be monitoring that website every day. And it goes straight into your CRM. So instead of having somebody go and look through maybe emails or whatever and pushing it into GoHighLevel manually, it's all automatic. So that is just one example. Anyways, again, my name is Caleb, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot out of it. I hope it was enlightening for you, and it kind of gave you some reality on AI and kind of prompting and what can be done. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.